how to find or add nearby friends on Snapchat. First things first is if you don't have the application yet, you simply download it via the Play Store if you're using an Android, and please make sure that your Snapchat is up to date. Now, once everything is set, just simply access the application and then head over to your account by clicking on your image. You scroll down until you find Snap Map. You need to make sure first that this feature allows all your access, and then you need to turn on your location as well. Just press on that, and by here you'll be able to see nearby friends who is using Snapchat, and you can also turn on the ghost mode. You can turn on the ghost mode here, and you can also, if you turn your ghost mode off, you can try to have your location visible to your friends except or only these friends. And if you will see some other folks that is using Snapchat on your area, you just have to simply tap on them and then follow them or add them. Now that's how you find or add nearby friends on Snapchat.